Guys, welcome back. In this video, I want to show you how you can access your lectures, all the recorded lectures, how you can access your lectures for each of your courses. Okay, so I'm making this video because some students were asking how some said that they've never attended a lecture before, while some were asking how to register their courses, no, how to access their lectures rather, how they can access lectures that they've missed. Okay, so I want to show you. So if you've missed your lectures before, you do not have to worry. One good news is that all your lectures are recorded and they are in your e-learn portal. Now before you can access all this, you must have paid your registered for the semester, your school fees and other fees. Then you would have paid for your courses, and also registered them and done exam registration. Without this, you cannot access your lectures at all. Okay, so it is assumed that you have done all of this. Now let's get down to it. This is eLearn portal. Here's the website elearn.nou.edu.ng. Okay, so that is it. So let's get down to it. We tap on login, login. Okay, we are logging into our eLearn portal. All right, so you put in your password, now enter verification code for confirmation. A code has been sent to your email, so you have to go and open your email, get the code and paste it here or type it in so that you can access your eLearn dashboard. Okay, so let me go to my second browser. I've already opened the email and I use my second browser to open the email. It is currently showing black because I am incognito. I've gone incognito. Remember, I have a video on this, on how you can open your email with just your browser on your phone. If you cannot link your email to your Gmail app, you do not need to worry. You can always access your email with your browser. Okay, remember in that video I said you always go incognito before you can sign in. Now from my end, everything is showing clearly here, but on the video it is dark. You can search on my channel, you see that video, how to log into your email. I've done a video on that. Okay, so let's look for the code in this email. I'm seeing everything clearly here right from my end, but it is not possible to see on the video. It is dark on the video. All right, so this is it. I'll copy and go back to my eLearn portal. So I'll paste it. Verify code. Verify code. So my dashboard is open now. Remember, this video is about how you can access the lectures that you have missed, or you still want to just watch it. Probably you are reading and you want to, there are some things you forgot, you want to go back to it. you don't need to worry. Okay, all your recorded lectures are on your portal, on this e-learn portal. You can access all of them, from all the course, from the beginning of your course to the end. All your courses, all their lectures are there right here on the e-learn portal, your dashboard. So here we are. So you tap on these three lines up here, then you tap on my courses. My courses. So let's start with this first one, Physics 102. Tap on it. Okay, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe so that you will not miss any update at all. Subscribe to my channel. If these my videos are also helpful, please like, subscribe as well. Subscribe, okay? And then you can share it so that other students can benefit, because so many people do not really know what to do. They keep asking questions. Sometimes they ask questions to people who cannot help them, or who will not provide answers. So share the video so that other students too benefit from it. So here we are. I've also made a video on how you can access your discussion forum. Remember, this semester, this new session, you must partake in the discussion forum before you can do your TMA. And the first TMA is starting on the ending of this month of October. I've also done a video on that, so search for it. That's how to access your TMA. I did a video. Just search on my channel, you'll find it. So let's go. We are looking for our recorded lectures. So you tap on week 1. Tap on week 1. You go down to live class. Tap on live class. Okay. Tap on live class. Alright, so here we are. If you cannot launch LTI Pro, please click here. Let's tap on this click here. Okay, click here. Now here we are. We have upcoming meetings, previous meetings, cloud recordings. Tap on cloud recordings. Cloud recordings. Okay, here we are. Then you tap on this highlighted text in blue, which is the name of the course. Here we are. So here are all the recordings for this particular course. Okay, so here, that is it. You a code is attached. A code is attached to it. A code is attached to it. Let me copy the code. It's right here. For each of these recordings, there is a code attached to it, so you can access your lectures. So I've copied it. Let's open this first recording. Let's open this first one. Good. So you now paste. Oh no. Let, let me put the one I copied. So I pasted it. Then you tap on watch recording. Watch recording. Okay. So here we are. Here we are. Then you play. You play. So this is it. See, the video is now playing. So this is how to access your lectures. Okay. So we also have other recordings. In this particular course, or will I say subjects, in this particular course, there are about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 recordings for week 1 already. So you can go through all of them. If there are, even if you were part of the class and you feel like taking the lectures again so you understand something, a particular point, or you want to understand the lecture again, you can still come for the recording, open your dashboard and access the recording of that particular course. So let's open the second recording for the same course. Okay, so here we are. Here we are. See, it's playing. Okay, so let's go back. Let's go back to our second week. Our week one. No, our yeah, you can do week two for this course actually. For this same course. Week two. Let's see. Live class. Live class. Tap on click here. Okay. Then cloud recordings. This one is having just okay. There is no, let's open. Okay. This one is having about six recordings. So these are just the ways you can access your previous lectures. Okay. So even if you have missed your facilitation, you don't need to worry or panic. Okay. You can always access those lectures. And you take your time, listen to it, write down your notes and all. Okay. On your dashboard too, there are details of the lecture so that you can also partake in the live class. Alright. So these things are not hard at all. Let's go to general biology 2. So you can access your lectures for all the course, all of them. Okay, so you tap on general biology 2. There are recordings as well. Tap on week 1. You go down, live class. Then if you cannot launch LTI Pro, please click here. Tap on click here to take you straight to this place. Look for the recordings. General biology 2. Okay. Now this one have about 4 recordings for week 1. Has about 4 recordings. Okay. Biology 102. Watch recording. See, it opens and then tap on play and you start it will start playing. Okay, good. So right now it is playing. So these are the ways you can access your lectures, the lectures you've missed, or if you want to go back again to the lecture, you can always access it. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe so you don't miss any updates. Alright. So you just keep getting the lecture recordings for each of these courses or each of your courses. So if you have any question, you can ask me. If you are still finding it hard to log into your e-learn portal, I just did, but I still have a video on it as well. Okay, I have to take all these videos in bits to carefully explain to you how to go through these processes. Okay, don't forget to engage in the discussion forum so that you can start your TMA, your TMA 1. Remember, you have to finish your TMA 1 before you can take your TMA 2, and you must engage in all these discussions. Okay, discussion 1, discussion forum 2, and all. Then there's also feedback, very important, before you can take your TMA 3. Okay, and some other tasks. So subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. I wish you all the best. Wish you all the best as you carry on your academic pursuits. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. Like the videos, okay? Like the videos, share them, and subscribe. Bye bye.